do some more, and then I'll do the blading up front if you want.
Okay.
And then I'll have you look at them, and we'll do the nitpick session where you point everything out. It won't hurt my feelings, I promise. But when you leave, I want you to love your brows as much as I do.
Hello y'all, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today is a very interesting video. I don't have my brows on because I'm getting them microbladed, tatted, you know, what have you. So yeah, we're gonna be making a YouTube video about it. Wish me luck. I have trust issues, so the fact that I'm trusting someone else to do this, like, this is a big deal, okay? And this is my brows. Y'all know I'm OCD about my brows. But anyways, here we go. We're going inside, y'all. Y'all, first pass. That was the first pass that she did, and they're already looking bomb. They look so good. Sorry. Oh my god. So I can't wait to see these babies when they're done, y'all.
I'm Sarah Howarder. I am the permanent makeup artist that did Tori's brows today. I'm actually pretty new to the game, but I've been an artist for 20-some years, 30-some years, and am an art teacher. So this is kind of like an extension of my art. So I love doing brows, and hopefully you love Tori's too.
And she's bomb at doing them. Okay, y'all, so hopefully you have like enjoyed this video, or maybe it's been informational. I kind of wanted to just provide you guys with a little bit of information here at the end. This is the day after I've gotten them done. They're actually really not too sore. I didn't really have any discomfort. I tried not to sleep too much like with my face on the pillow, anything like that. Sarah does an awesome job at explaining everything, and just like she provides you care, like aftercare instructions, everything like that. So I will be going back for a touch-up in February, and then I will probably kind of like recap on how everything looks, how it's healing up. But she did an amazing job. She made sure that I was comfortable the whole time. I know I've had several people ask if it is painful. She does an initial numbing, and honestly, the first like bypass, like I didn't really feel it a whole lot. And then after the first pass, she puts a second numbing cream on there, and then after that second numbing cream, you really don't feel it. It's really just up to the client to tell them if, like, tell your person if you are actually feeling discomfort, and then they can put that numbing stuff on there again. When you are like, when you're numbed up, like, I personally didn't feel it. I was kind of relaxed. I was like falling asleep. I told Sarah, I was like, if I fall asleep or nod off, just, you know, wake me up, smack me something. You guys, it was so nice. Like, obviously I don't have my makeup like like around my brows because I was trying to be really careful and not like, you know, get anything on them or anything. Obviously they're still healing up, they're still open, but the reason I decided to get this was because like I don't know if you guys have noticed like in some of my like lives that I'll post, like before I put my brows on and stuff, I have like no brows. I have a little bit of hair there, but there's not much, and I like more of like a shapely brow just because it's like it's an instant facelift when you have brows, okay? So brows are so important, and it's like one of the things that takes the longest for me for my makeup. And with having a 2-year-old that's like running around hanging on my leg, you know, during the day, it's like I ain't got time to be drawing on my brows every day. So for me personally, that is why I decided to get this done. It's a form of permanent makeup, so it is a form of tattooing, but it's not like a normal tattoo where the ink just like immediately goes into your skin. It kind of takes a little bit of a process of packing that pigment in there, and that's why you have to do a retouch. So obviously I'm not a pro or anything. I know a little bit about it, but Sarah is excellent at explaining everything, like I said. So just make sure that if you are looking to get it done, make sure your technician is going over like everything with you. And the reason I was so comfortable with Sarah herself, because little fun fact, I actually worked with her twin sister. She has an identical twin sister, and I worked with her at the salon that I worked at for years before I retired to stay home with my son. And so that's kind of how I knew of her. And then when I was in the previous makeup company that I was with, she was actually, that's kind of how we got to know each other a little bit more. And so we've just kind of followed each other's journeys a little bit. And so she noticed that I had talked about maybe wanting to get my brows done. And so she got a hold of me and she's like, girl, like I do brows now. And so I was very comfortable with having her do my brows because she's actually an art teacher as well, and she's a very artistic person, and I've always admired how she does like her brows and everything. So that is why I was comfortable with going to her, because let's be real, like eyebrows, that's like right up front. Like it's scary to trust somebody, and I don't trust many people. So even Joe, my husband, he's like, you're trusting someone else with your brows? He knows. But anyways, you guys, it was an awesome experience. She made everything very comfortable. Like we were chatting it up, talking the whole time. But so if you are in my local area, we will definitely drop her info. You can get a hold of her through Facebook Messenger, shoot her a message, but we will provide her info down below, and also like the cost of everything like that. So if you want to hit her up, if you're in the area, most definitely do, because I 1000% recommend her. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it answered some questions. And if you're thinking about getting your brows done or getting some kind of permanent makeup done, I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Anyways, if you have any questions, anything like that, drop them in the comments. I will answer them to the best of my knowledge. If I don't know, I will try to get a hold of Sarah and I'll see what she says to any questions or anything like that. Otherwise, feel free to get a hold of her as well. So, all right, guys, I will see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Bye.